Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna talk about this one, multiple function. Okay guys, let's go out first. Okay, let's go out the camera. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about this multiple. Why? Because multiple we need a bigger space. Okay, so how to use it multiple? This one is single panorama, this one is multiple. So when you click on it, you can see you got a dot. So you can adjust your panorama like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can do 5 panorama in one time, then right click exit. Okay, by the way, you can click on here, right click. Okay, let's say you click on here, right click, you can add again or delete the node, or you set this one as start point, also can, up to you, but usually orange color represents start point, okay, and the render point. Okay, so beside that, you also can click here to do the preview. Okay, so now is the start one, then you click here, go to another dot, let's see your angle, is it okay or not, double check. This one is to check your angle. Okay, so you can follow the dot and click. Okay, so if okay with everything, then just click submit. Okay, just click submit. Yes, so AiHouse will render the whole thing. You see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panorama in one time. It's a one room only. Okay, okay, so after we complete the render, so you may see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lah. All the 5 panorama we render. Then we go for editor. We are click here, open editor. Okay, now we talk about the last thing. If you still remember, we have a panorama, about a few panorama in the living room, but we haven't linked it, right? We got 5 panorama, but we haven't linked it. So we can click here, add new. Add new here, you may see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 panorama I make, but I haven't named it. Never mind. So I click here. Okay, we can choose the panorama. Just restart it. Okay, remark here should be here. I start with this one and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I click one, conform. So this one I put the name called walk. Then you can try to play with it. Walk. Okay, then I add another scene, another one. This one you need to manually do it one by one. Walk one, then another one. This one is the second one. Okay, the second one, name it also conform. Name it walk 2. W-A-L-K, walk 2. This one you need to do a lot of work or if you have a lot of the name, you haven't named it. Okay, number 3. Okay, walk 3. W-A-L-K, walk 3. Enter. Add scene. Name it. Sorry. Click here. So name it walk 4. Okay. Add new scene. Last one, remark. Okay, confirm. The last one, and name it walk final. Okay. So in the end, you can do the same thing, guys. Just do the door tag, then you can link to it. So door walk 1, go to walk 2. Walk 2. Okay. Then you can really walk around. Okay. This one I'm gonna move it here. Okay. I change the icon. Change this one to this one. So you move for this step. Click on it. So this icon will come to here. Like I say, create dot tag. Go to walk 3. Confirm. Change the icon to this one. Walk 3. Okay. Then we go to walk 4. Create dot tag. Walk 4. Confirm. Then icon change. This one lock. more aggressive lah. You can walk around in the room. Okay, so don't worry lah. It's getting more realistic. Okay, change the icon. Okay, put here. Walk finder. Okay, so this one is how you walk around in the room lah. Okay, remember save for everything, then check preview. Okay. Yeah, I forget link. Okay, the last one we're gonna do a tag with this one and them lah, huh? If not, we cannot walk around. So I'm gonna do in the master room and do a door tag to the walk one, so they can walk around. Okay, remember this thing is a must lah, or if not, you cannot see when you click on the preview. So click on walk one, confirm. Then this one I change the icon, make it special. Maybe red color. Yes, this one, the walk one. Okay, and after walk around, come back to the final, right? Remember, also create a door tag back to master room, so you can turn around. Okay, master room. Yes. Then remember save. So you can play with the preview. Oh, you got music so romantic. You can go walk around. But the walk around I didn't set lah. Okay, if you want, then you set lah. Okay, you can see the preview. Okay, now you can walk around in the room. Every corner you also can see. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.